I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream with the Ninja Creami. Freeze the pint base solid for at least 24 hours before processing. Start by mixing cream, milk, sugar, and flavorings until fully combined, then pour into pints and level the surface. Label and freeze flat. When solid, attach the paddle and process according to consistency, adding mix-ins gradually to avoid overworking the machine. Start with a reliable base, heavy cream, whole milk, and sugar for a classic texture. Heat gently to dissolve sugar and infuse flavors like vanilla or cocoa, then cool completely before pouring into pints. For fruit options, puree and strain before mixing with a bit of sugar or honey. Freeze the pints solid and follow Ninja Creami processing steps to achieve your preferred creaminess and texture. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support more tutorials. Quick recommendation: life's too short for a stinky car, so grab Little Tree's black ice for a crisp, cool scent that pairs nicely with late-night ice cream runs. I dropped the link and other deals in the description for easy access. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Small tweaks make big differences. A tablespoon of liquor keeps the texture scoopable, while using cold tools prevents thawing during handling. Process the base first, then add nuts or cookie pieces in the mix-in slot and respin gently. If texture is too icy, pulse a splash of milk and respin for a creamier result. Clean parts promptly and store extra pints flat in the freezer for best results.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.